Hi there. So, from the 22nd of July, you can start taking driving tests in England, and they're opening it up from Thursday the 16th. I have to check then a second because that's when this is being recorded. So they're opening up for people to actually rebook them who've been put on hold. So you're going to get emails. Now, I was wearing the mask then because I have seen lots of people being on lessons over the last week, and they're not wearing masks when they're driving with their instructor. And it's their choice if they don't wear a mask, but on the driving test you've got to wear a mask. And it's surprising because obviously there's a virus around, so you want to try and limit it by wearing the mask. That's what it's there for. But if you're not used to wearing it, and then on the day of the test you put one on, you're going to have all sorts of little problems that are going to catch you off guard. And really what you want to be doing is going in there prepared the best you can. You've spent lots of money on driving lessons, and this is just an added thing that you've got to get used to. When I first started using them over the last week, they've proved a little bit inconvenient at first, but just got to get used to it. Glasses steamed up. I've had a comment off someone saying you can get some on Amazon to help demist them, so I'll put a link below, but I've never tried it, but it's up to you whether you want to try that. But personally, all I do is I kind of played around with it to get used to it, and the top bit that tucks in, I have it tucked under my glasses, so it's tucked down, it doesn't steam up so much. I have the windows open, that's what it's supposed to be open for, getting ventilation. If you're on a driving lesson, the windows are closed at the moment, then you really want to be asking the question, why are they closed? Because we need ventilation going round. Definitely have the windows open, and definitely tuck it underneath. It will help you. But yeah, practice it. Practice having them, and whether your instructor's providing masks or whether you're providing some kind of face covering, that's your choice. But whatever it is, get used to wearing it so that on the test you're used to it. Because when you turn up for your driving test, the examiner's going to expect you to have one. He's not going to provide it for you. You know, they're only the exceptions, by the way, is if you've got a medical condition, or you're pregnant, or you've got some kind of condition that prevents you from wearing a mask. That's different. Obviously, you can declare that when you're booking the test. And if you haven't, then what you want to be doing is bring along some evidence, like a doctor's certificate saying that you're exempt from it. Okay, good luck, and remember, practice using the mask. So get it on, tuck it underneath, like I'm doing there, and get going. There you go. See you next time.